Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my curry chicken. So let's get started. I have one 26-ounce can, which is 1 pound 10 ounces of cream of chicken soup, and I'll place it in my pot. To this, I'm going to fill it up halfway with chicken broth. So about a half a can of chicken broth. I'll place that in. Then I'll stir that around. So I'm mixing the chicken broth in with the cream of chicken soup. Now I'll add in my spices. I'll add in 1 tablespoon of curry powder, teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. I have my burner on medium. Now I'll stir this all together. You want to make sure it's mixed well. I have 2 chicken breasts that I cooked and I cut into chunks. So now I'll add this to the mixture. I'll stir it around. I like to serve this over noodles, but you can serve it with rice. I have 2 cans of vegetables. You can use the vegetables that you like. I have a can of peas, which is 15 ounces, and corn, which is 15.25 ounce. So I'll open and drain them and then place them into the mixture. So I have my drained peas and corn. I'll add that to the mixture. I'll mix it in. I'll give it a try, make sure I get enough curry in there. I'll add in another tablespoon, so that'll be 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Mix that in. I'll add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix that in. Now I'll give it a try. Better. I'll be placing 8 ounces of shredded Fiesta blend cheese, which is a combination of cheeses. I'll place that in. Then I'll stir that around. And I'm serving this chicken curry over egg noodles. You can use rice or egg noodles and just cook it according to the directions on the package. I'll give it a taste. Good. I added in a cup of heavy whipping cream. So I'm just stirring it in. I'll give this a taste. It's good. I cooked my noodles according to the directions on the package, and I used egg noodles, so I put them on the bottom. What I'm doing now is just mixing the noodles in with the chicken, the peas, the corn, that mixture with all the spices. Smells good. So now what I'm going to do is give it a try. So now I'll give it a try. Nice big bite. Very, very good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my curry chicken. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.